Hello dear students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to practice 10 questions from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. Okay, let's begin. The first question you can see here is mango has undifferentiated pericarp, option number 1, fibrous mesocarp, second option, stony endocarp, third option, and edible endosperm, fourth option. So what do you think? What does mango has, right? Does it has undifferentiated pericarp? No. What's the meaning of pericarp? Pericarp means fruit wall. And here the fruit wall is divided into 3 different layers, right? Which we have discussed in previous video also. Okay. Does it has fibrous mesocarp? No. It is having fleshy mesocarp, which is edible as well. Does it has hard stony endocarp? Yes. Okay, whenever you have eat mango, maybe you have noticed that surrounding the seed coat there is a tough structure that is very stony structure, right? That is actually the endocarp. Okay, inside that you have seed. Okay, then do you have edible endosperm? No, this is a dicot plant. Dicot plants, they don't have endosperm, right? Except a few. Okay, so third option. Okay, then second question. Select the correct statement. Banyan tree has a stilt root. This is absolutely wrong. Can you tell me about stilt root? Or at least the examples of stilt roots? These are the supporting roots which are coming from the nodes which are present near to the base of the stem, right? Now, stilt roots ka example you have to remember. Sugar cane has stilt root. Sugar cane, right? And maize has a stilt root, right? There are many other examples. Sometimes you can even often see it in coconuts, date palm and all, but it's not given in NCERT. So sugar cane and maize is enough, right? So in this, what happens that let's suppose this is a plant and these are the you can say fibrous roots which are present here, and the tall stem is there like this, right? So from these nodes you will see some more roots will come. Okay, only from the basal nodes these roots will come to support this thin long stem, right? So banyan tree has another type of root which is called prop root or pillar like root. Okay, this is there in banyan tree. Banyan tree. Okay, now pneumatophores help to get oxygen for the respiration. Yes, this is correct. Okay, tap roots are usually, I skipped statement 2, right? Tap roots are usually present in monocots. This is wrong. Tap root is present in dicot like mustard, right? Monocots, which roots they have? Fibrous root. Okay. Roots can modify only for storage of food. This is absolutely wrong. Roots can modify for so many purposes. They can get modified for storage of food. They can modify it for doing nitrogen fixation. They can modify to provide mechanical support for climbing and all, right? So many modifications are there. And even in case of pneumatophores, the roots can get modified to, you can say, get more oxygen, right? So here third option is the correct statement with respect to roots. Find the mismatched pair. Okay, which pair is mismatched here? Will you see any kind of stem tendrils in watermelon? Yes. Will you see stem thorns in citrus? Yes. Citrus and bougainvillea, there you have thorns. Okay. Offsets do you have in Eichhornia? Yes. Eichhornia and Pistia, these are the two examples for offsets, right? Where the length between the two node is very less. And as a result, you will see that so many Eichhornia or water hyacinth, which you have often seen in water bodies creating pollution here, right? They will be very much difficult to get managed by us because of this shorter internodes. The you can say the lateral stems, they will be spreading from each and every side of the plant, and then they will produce more plants. So like clump, they will grow, and it will be very difficult to you can say make a check on them, prevent their growth, right? So that condition is there. Opuntia, right? Opuntia, does it have cylindrical phylloclad? No, it is having flattened phylloclad. Okay, what's the meaning of phylloclad? Okay, phylloclad means photosynthetic stem. This is a stem which has become flattened, okay, for performing the process of photosynthesis because leaves got modified into spines, right? So cylindrical phylloclad example is what? Euphorbia, right? And flattened, it is Opuntia. So this is mismatched, okay? Now, in a pinnate compound leaf, lamina is not incised. Leaflets are attached to common axis called rachis. Axil of each leaflet contains bud and leaflets are attached to the tip of petiole. See, I will be drawing here 3 leaves, okay? First, I will draw a leaf which is called simple leaf. Okay, here you will be having an axillary bud at the base of the leaf. Okay, then here I am drawing another leaf which is pinnately compound leaf. Okay, okay, fine. And here I am drawing another leaf which is palmately compound leaf. Okay, these two are compound leaves. This is simple leaf. Okay, here also you will see axillary bud here. Fine. Up, just try to notice the difference in all of them. Okay, in this leaf what you can see, there is no cutting at the margin of this leaf blade. You cannot see any cutting. Let's suppose I am drawing one more type of simple leaf here where cutting is there, but the cutting is not touching the midrib. Right, this is also considered as simple leaf only. Why? Because incision or cutting is not touching the midrib and it is not dividing the leaf blade into different structures which are called leaflets. Right, so can I say in a pinnately compound leaf, okay, uh, lamina is not incised? No, we cannot say. Lamina can be incised even in the simple leaf also, right? Just look at this leaf. This is actually the pinnately compound leaf. Here the incision and cutting is that much that it has divided the complete leaf blade into specific small leaflets, right? And then this midrib will be considered as rachis. And on this rachis, at different positions, you will see leaflets will be attached. Okay, on the other hand, this is called palmately compound leaf because in this leaf you can see that all the leaflets, they are present at one, they are attached at one common point, right, which is the tip of petiole. Okay, this structure over here is petiole, and at the tip of petiole you will see that different leaflets are attached on a common point, right? So this structure is called palmately compound leaf. Okay, so pinnately compound leaf, palmately compound leaf, and simple leaf. Okay, so in a pinnately compound leaf, lamina is not incised. Wrong, it is incised. It is divided. It is cut. Okay, leaflets are attached to common axis called rachis. Okay, it is attached to rachis, but let's see common axis is correct or not. We will check. Okay, more options. Axil of each leaflet contains a bud. This is absolutely wrong. I told you there is never any kind of axillary bud at the base of leaflet. No, never. In any kind of leaf, any kind of compound leaf, you will never see any kind of axillary bud at the base of leaflet. You will only and only observe the presence of axillary bud at the leaf base. Okay, this is wrong. Leaflets are attached to the tip of petiole. No, this is absolutely wrong. So option number 2 we have to choose, right? All the leaflets are attached on a common axis. Okay, common point if it is mentioned, then it is wrong. Common axis, rachis, and all the leaflets are attached on that common axis. Understood? Option number 3. Epigynous flowers have superior ovary, are present in rose plant, have all floral parts almost at the same level, and have ovary completely enclosed by thalamus. Okay, so there are different types of you can say flowers based on the position of floral whorls with respect to ovary, right? So epigynous, what's the meaning of this term? Okay, epi means above. Gynous, simply you can say gynoecium they are referring. I'm not saying the meaning, I'm saying they are actually referring to the gynoecium. Okay, so above the gynoecium, okay, if the floral whorls are present, okay, position of floral whorl is above the gynoecium, then the ovary is called epigynous, right? Or you can say ovary is inferior. Okay, and if I want to draw a flower like this, I can draw the ovary like this, which is residing on a thalamus, right? And everything is attached, everything is attached from the level above the ovary like this. Sepals are here, petals will be here. Okay, this condition is called epigynous. Understood? This is ovary and ovary is inferior. Okay, so they have superior ovary? No, that term is called hypogynous. Are present in rose plant? No, that is perigynous, half inferior. Have all floral parts almost at the same level? No. Have ovary completely enclosed by thalamus. Okay, so I should draw thalamus like this. Yeah, there's a small mistake in the diagram because I have habit of drawing the flower like this, right? So actually ovary became inferior. How? Because of the overgrowth of thalamus. Thalamus has completely taken over the ovary, right? So it has completely like overgrown and enclosed the ovary. Okay, that's why ovary became inferior. Fine. So fourth option. Now, which of the following features are incorrect with respect to racemose inflorescence? Right? Again, racemose inflorescence in this you can say session also came. So I already told you racemose inflorescence is that inflorescence in which you will see the oldest flower is at the base, right? And the young flower is at the apex, and the main axis continues to grow, right? So presence of terminal flower at main axis? No. Acropetal arrangement? Yes. Indefinite growth of floral axis? Yes. Flowers are born in basipetal order? No. So 1 and 4 are wrong. Okay, so here ABC, okay, we can label it as A, B, C, D. So A and D is wrong. Okay, option number 4. Which of the following is a medicinal plant of Fabaceae? I hope you have learned about the medicinally important plants of these 3 families at least. Okay, not 3, sorry, 4 families: Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and lily family. Fabaceae, what is medicinally important plant of this family? Muliaceae. Belladonna, ashwagandha, they belong to Solanaceae. Aloe vera, it belongs to Liliaceae. Okay. Now, members of Solanaceae family have, okay, there are some specific features of Solanaceae family. Can you tell me at least 4 unique features of this family? Please write in the comments if you know. Okay, Solanaceae family, the most, you can say, like very important features which are not shown anywhere else, which are actually very much special to Solanaceae. Those features are there, please write it. Leaves with parallel venation? No, this is monocot. X-stipulated leaf? Yes. Tricarpellary? No. Perianth? No. Perianth is there in lily. Okay. So rest of 3 features are given from lily family, and only X-stipulate condition is observed from all these 4 features in Solanaceae family. Okay. Now you have 2 statements. Tulip is ornamental plant of lily family. Correct, right? Fruit of lily is capsule or rarely berry. Yes, this statement is also correct. When you will study that in Solanaceae you have mostly berry, right? And capsule is also there in Datura in Solanaceae. But in NCERT it is mentioned that in lily capsule is more common, berry is a rare condition. Okay, so here both the statements are correct. Okay, a condition in which stamens are attached to perianth is called what? Okay, it is called epipetalous or epiphyllous. It is called epiphyllous, right? Epipetalous condition is what? When the stamens are attached to petals. Okay, this condition is there in brinjal family Solanaceae. Okay, and this condition is present in Liliaceae family, where the stamens are attached to perianth. What is the single unit of perianth? Tepal. Okay. Staminode means sterile type of stamens. Okay. Tetradynamous condition. This condition exists in Brassicaceae family, where you will see variation in the length of filament. Okay. Total 6 stamens are there, and out of them, 2 are having different length as compared to the 4. Right. Anyways, this term is not used in NCERT, but you should at least know that this feature belongs to mustard plant. Okay. Mustard shows tetradynamous condition. Okay. That's it. Thank you everyone for watching the session. Please tell your scores. You people are not telling your score, how much you are getting, okay, in solving these questions. And after that, please share the video to your friends so that they can also get help. Thank you very much. Bye.